What's the meaning of collective noun? Collective noun. Collective noun.
Collective noun. Collective noun. A collective noun refers to a group of people, animals, or things that are treated as a single entity. Examples include team, herd, and family. When using a collective noun, it is important to remember that it is singular in form, despite referring to multiple individuals. Therefore, one should use singular verbs and pronouns when talking about a collective noun. For instance, one would say the team is playing rather than the team are playing. This helps to avoid confusion and ensure proper grammatical agreement in sentences involving collective nouns.